People, I'm back. This parcel has driven me crazy. Shall I tell you why? Yes, because it was marked as delivered like a week ago, with a picture of the delivery, like it's been delivered, so a picture of the label and stuff, but it wasn't delivered to me. Then I had to chase up the company, then I had to chase up this person, that person, then now it's finally been delivered, so it got stolen and unstolen somehow. But yeah, this is another one of the USC £1 bargains. Each time they have a £1 bargain, you have to order everything separate, so it becomes £5 for delivery plus £1, so £6 in total, which for what I got now is a bargain. The two jackets before £6 each, 6, 12, 18, £20 for two jackets and a pair of jeans. Let's just get into this, man. Gotta rip it open. Quick rip open. Let me just. That's a bit different. So they're actually bagged up. Oh yeah. What's it say? Color LT age, the waist 38, length 34. Don't laugh. Aiden stretch denim. You know what they are. It's a pair of jeans. I like this that it's coming in another bag. I also have to say, the reason I get a bigger pair of jeans is because I get them tapered and fitted to my size, so I get them tailored XYZ. Plus, this is £1. Look, it's a pair of G-Star jeans, 38, 34. Aiden G-Star loose, 3301 loose. Guys, £1. £1, literally £1. If you're in America, just pretend it's a dollar. Literally £1. These are actually massive. You could say this is basically like a boot cut. I'm gonna get them altered, tapered, all that good stuff, so they fit me nicely on the legs, the waist, etc. For £1, you really cannot go wrong. Unfortunately, they are all sold out because £1 it only lasts an hour. Hopefully I can get some more jeans, tops, all this stuff, because I'm actually quite enjoying this £1 stuff. £1, £5 delivery, £6. So it's a £6 pair of jeans for G-Star jeans. That's more than a bargain. Normally they retail £85. Sometimes you can get them on sale for about 50, 55, 60. You can never, well, I can say I have now bought a pair of jeans from G-Star, so they are branded jeans for just £1 or £6, however you look at it, but I'm gonna say they're £1 because that sounds way better. So £1 pair of jeans, guys. Make sure to check out all my other videos. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.